Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can verify your Wix website on Google Search Console in 2021. Let's do this. So just log into your Wix dashboard. After that, just go up to the top left corner. Click on My Sites. And now choose the Wix website you want to verify to Google Search Console. I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on Select Site. Okay, so to be able to verify your Wix website on Google Search Console, you need to have a connected domain, alright? That means you need to have a premium plan as well. If you don't have connected your domain yet, I will leave a link in the description to a video on how to connect your domain as well. After that, just come back to this video and continue the steps. Now in the left sidebar, go to this one, Marketing and SEO. Go to SEO Tools, and under SEO Tools, we're gonna go down to this one, Site Verification. Click on that. Now click on this one, Google Search Console. Alright, so now we need the site verification tag. We need to go to this one, Google Search Console. Just click on this link and just log into a Gmail account. Okay, so welcome to Google Search Console. We're gonna go to URL prefix and enter your domain right here. If you don't want to type this, you can just go to your website and just copy the URL right here. Go back and paste it right here. Now click on Continue. Now go down to this one, HTML tag. Click on this drop-down menu. And just click on this button, copy. Go back to your Wix website and paste the code right here. Like that. And go and click on save. Tag added. Now go back to Google Search Console. And go down and click on verify. Ownership verified. And now you can just click on done or go to property. And here you can get a lot of data about your website. Okay everyone, so if you liked this video, please check out my full playlist with Wix tutorials in the description below. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.